What's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're here for a roof cleaning. These are like little small condos, and it's weird here because we have 3 condos in one building, and a specific customer will just want just their side of the roof clean that they're responsible for. So sometimes you have a roof that's clean in the middle, and then the 2 sides are dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one done. This one's an end unit and it's dirty. There's a lot of dirty roofs in here. I've been in here 2 times before. This is my 3rd time. It's flat tile roof, concrete tile, so it's walkable. Last time I was here, I still had the 12-volt system and I walked it. This one here, now I got the P40. I should be able to shoot it from the ground. I'm gonna show you guys the job. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you got questions, and hit the bell for new content. Okay, so this is the end unit here. If you guys can see what I'm talking about, this neighbor got theirs done prior, so you can see how light this side looks compared to this right side here, how dark that looks. Let me give you guys a closer look. So we're gonna use a 6% mix of sodium hypochlorite, which is chlorine, to get this sprayed up. I do have gutter bags on the downspouts because this one was going right into this bush. So I got some gutter bags lined up right there. I'm gonna go ahead and wet everything down before I start. Got another gutter bag here. This one was kind of away from the plants, but I don't want that chlorine sitting right there. It's gonna dry up the soil. That's how you kill stuff. The HOA is really strict in this neighborhood. I'm surprised I don't get more calls because it's pretty bad with the roofs here. And then the back ones, they go underground and go out to the street. This is the back side of the roof. Same thing here, dark. And then the neighbor is light. All right, so that's a little project we got for today. See what time it is. 8:30 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and water down the plants and get going. Let's go. Even though the back doesn't have any plants or anything, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the grass on the edge right there just to make sure any overspray falls on there will be protected. These trees are done for right now. So we're good on that. And of course, I'll do this when I'm done as well to make sure everything is covered how it's supposed to. Alright, I just went and sprayed the whole entire thing. Also a good thing, if you guys are cleaning roofs, make sure you get the edges on the sides. Those are tucked in, so you might miss them. So make sure you go through and hit those. Of course, some of it hit the wall. I'm gonna rinse the wall down from the overspray. Hard to see with the sun angle. I'm gonna see if I can go in the back. I've been flooding this area right here because I had a whole lot of runoff right there. That bag got overfilled quick. Check out the back. Oh yeah, much better, much better. Y'all closer. Yeah, once it rains, everything get rinsed. It's gonna look brighter anyway. As soon as it dries, it's gonna look way brighter. And now I just turned 9:06. I gotta do the same thing here. Rinse this wall down. Then I spray the edges. Alright, y'all, that is it. That is it. I like it how it's coming out. Look at this. Way better. We'll check out the front. Spent about 10 minutes time wetting everything down before I leave. I packed it up. So we don't have no problems. I'll show you guys the front side. So in the beginning I showed y'all this area here where you could tell where it stopped. Now look at this. Looking good. Same thing for this side here. Right. Alright, you guys, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe and hit the bell for new content, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.